2018 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, security system, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.